Welcome to Landria Onkka on YouTube, here to help you break through those fears and live an awesome life, and giving you the tools to manifest anything. Somebody said they missed me saying breaking through fears to live an amazing life. Well, some of you don't think you have fears. I guarantee you do. Every human does. Christ, Buddha, every prophet had fears. The Dalai Lama said that he experiences fear and anger. They just don't do anything with it. I'm here to tell you that you do not have to be in an awakened state to live an amazing life. So let's talk about that. I feel like people do not pursue their options because they get stuck. They get stuck into what they've been told they should be doing. That's a big one. Your parents. You should be doing this. You should be a doctor like your father. Or work in the assembly line plant. Dad got you a really good job. And then you believe that that is good because you're getting the approval. You don't need anybody's approval. And when you break away from that, it's empowering like you can't even imagine. Are you requiring approval? Because we're told that if you do what I'm doing, right? How can you be off running around the world and being responsible? Well, I'm earning money right now, and you guys know that I do internet marketing. I'm going to put it up here like I always do. But I'm going to tell you something. These are not easy steps, ever. So it's not like I have an easier life than anybody else. It's just the decisions I'm making are the ones that I choose. And so many people are making decisions in areas that they don't desire. In other words, jobs they don't love. When I'm going into a life that I do love, now I still have the feelings that you do. I still have the challenges. I still have some of the fears that will show up, or the thoughts. But I no longer react to them. But I'm always making choices in the direction of that which I desire. And this is the key. When you stop doing that, your life becomes something completely different. And you manifest a pathway that is unhappiness. You're destined for that because you're not choosing what your heart and your mind is telling you to do, because the world is dictating something and you're believing it. So are you stuck? Do you feel you're stuck? You're never stuck. Are you taking action to go after that dream, no matter how outrageous it may seem? So let's say I'm going to be here for over 3 weeks in Italy. We're going to be 6 different places here. This is something I manifested through an amazing friend who called and asked me to join her, and that it was all expenses paid because, well, frankly, she had somebody that bailed on her and she didn't want to travel alone, and we're having a blast. Things align for you when you're ready, and so you can't predict what may or may not happen for you. You don't have to have the money to do certain things all the time, or have the time or whatever. It will make itself available to you. You might actually lose your job, and then all of a sudden it's just like, why not go on a trip? And then you say, well, I can't afford it, and then something will happen where you will be able to go. You don't need a lot of money to live an amazing life. But when you get stuck in something and you ask yourself, I'm unhappy. If I'm unhappy, why would I stay in that situation? It's because you believe that somehow you're getting approval. Family, friends, a spouse. You know how much happier that spouse would be if you were doing what you loved, and how much more lucrative it could possibly be because you're doing what you love. I'm telling you right now, it's time to get unstuck. I'm telling you right now that you need to start dreaming big, and that these things that I'm doing, well, they're not, to me, such out-of-the-box kind of amazing things. This is not something that I ever thought was impossible. This is something that I really know is going to happen at all times, and it surprises me at every moment. And that's how I see my life, is one surprise after another, and I know it's all going to be amazing. And then you just have to say yes. Are you limiting yourself because you feel like you're stuck? I hear this all the time, I'm stuck, and I'm telling people, the fact that you think that is you self-imposing those limitations. Nobody makes you stay in a job or a relationship or a city or any other situation, but it does take effort. So again, do I have to go through a lot to own my own business? And do I have to still, think about my income? Absolutely. We're on planet Earth, and you'll continually evolve. But when you don't look at your options and you don't consider that there's a big world out there and you have access to every answer, then you're self-imposing being stuck. And that is a reality you've created. Tell yourself you're not stuck anymore and ask for the answers, ask for the opportunities, and wait for them, and then take the action. You know I'm big on action. You have to go and say something to somebody like, boy, it'd be really nice to have that other job or whatever. Well, I happen to know somebody who has an offer, an opening. I'm hearing this all the time on my channel. It's all possible. And people are breaking through the veils, and it's amazing. Read the comments. People are saying that they watch these videos and they have an epiphany, and then somebody calls them for a job, or they go win the lottery, or something else amazing happens. Because they have no expectations of it, no limitations, and they really don't care if they please other people. They don't feel like they're stuck. They just know that where they are, they don't want to stay. And they're ready for the change, and they welcome it, and they're not fearing it. You have to move past those fears. So embrace life. Know that everyone experiences the thoughts, the potential triggers, all of the stuff that we've been programmed. We share the collective consciousness. But it's what you do with it that either creates a life that's amazing and full of probabilities that you will bring into your life, or probabilities that stay there that never come to fruition. It's up to you. You get to choose. Signing off from Rome, Italy. I'll see you in the next video. You're whole and perfect, strong and powerful, loving, harmonious, and happy. Blessings to you, my friend. Namaste.